pressing that fucking button. There we go. It should be on there now. There we go. Right, I'll just wait for YouTube to come in because I've actually only started then. I didn't click the streaming button. But yeah, looking quite interesting for GJ sells potentially. I think that's what I'm gonna want. And the nearby future, not now. It's too early. But it looks like that's what I'm putting. Yeah, like nearly 22 pips stop. Sorry, 2 pips spread already. Let's take a look at Goldie. Yeah, Goldie looks like it's ranging again. Morning, Max. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Okay, so let's get into this morning. Yeah, this morning we're actually okay in terms of news. There's nothing much going on there, which is great. 1:30 NY session's probably going to be left today, really. The news will come out and then we'll get a big move. So that's all good. So let's get easier as well. 1 second. I'm actually gonna move this into one, I think. Gonna do it in a second. Let me just see. It's the same, okay. So, yeah, let's start on Goldie over here. So, on Goldie, look at the daily time frame. So, the daily time frame is bullish. The last one did close bearish. We did push up through Asian session again. Asian session's been where the moves have been this week. The 4-hour time frame, very, very strong candles. Looking like we came back to the highs. Do I think that price is going to continue bullish before the news? No, I think it's going to range until then. So, if we're thinking about that and we're looking at ranges, what I see over here is I see clean candles. From there to there to there. So if I can get a closure below this level, I think we're going to get some nice clean zone below. Potentially taking some sells, yeah, to come back down in the zone and retrace that Asian level. So yeah, I mean on the 50-minute time frame, it'd be below 1882. Are people sending me chats? Is the chat not working? So yeah, potentially I think sells below 1882 to continue back down to 1878. And I think for me that is going to be the only move that I want to look for on gold today before the news comes out. So we'll just write this on because the zone's clean, and I don't think that in terms of price we're going to break really before this news comes out, because it just doesn't seem logical, right? Why would price break a high before the news comes out? Which doesn't make any sense. So yeah, 6 minutes left for this closure. Yeah, all I've got to do now is wait for a nice little closure below. Pretty simple. Simple, simple, simple. So I'll do that. That's the only thing I really want for gold. For buys, I don't really care, etc, etc. So yeah, in terms of GJ, we have some candles here also. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. So daily's pretty bearish. Okay, we've already broken the past three candles, which is interesting, suggesting that we're starting to reject this resistance at 161. Take a look at the 4-hour time. We've got a nice 4-hour wick to mirror to the left hand side, which is good. The 4-hour time frame, the previous one was pretty small, but overall we are still bearish, which is good. Obviously in terms of structure from the highs are bearish, but we have had some, bullish structure, but this has failed to break. So actually, if you look on the 4-hour time frame, there's a good order block there, because now we're starting to change. We haven't broken the high of the previous, and we've broken the low of the support. So we are changing bearish, which is good. So if we take a look to these candles, yeah, Asian session's been quite rangy, been pretty awful price action. If I look to the left hand side, we've got resistance. Yeah, resistance, 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 resistance. If we get a closure below there, I think we're going to drive pretty nicely to fill that zone. So yeah, closures below 159, like 830 is where I think I'll be looking to take some sells. Are you guys sending chats? You keep on popping up. So yeah, I think potentially a closure below there, and we should be good for that. Let's write this on 159. And then I think we will have a nice little push which is 159.394, which is a huge zone, right? Nice clean zone. 46 pips. Buys, don't like any of the buys. There's way too many bad wicks here. So the main thing for GJ here is the sells. The main thing for gold here is the sells. EJ. Let's take a look. Daily time frame is bearish. Already broke the low of the previous. The 4-hour time frame is also pulling up a little bit. Interesting. Had a nice strong candle pushing down through Asian session. If you look at the hourly time frame, yeah, same kind of thing with GG with these bad price action areas. So in terms of taking the trades, you could potentially look to take trades. I think EJ for sells is a little bit harder because there's not many clean zones. There's quite a lot of supports there. If you look to the left hand side here, Max, you're doing something a bit lately. Yeah, I've been looking at the recordings and it just sounds a little bit low. Let's try and see, right? Can I? Yeah, I don't know what's happened to the mic. It's normally not too bad, so I don't know. I think in terms of the, maybe I should. Oh, this is what I can do. Turn down the music there. Sorry, I forgot about that. How does that sound? Does that sound a bit better? A little bit quieter in the music wise. Okay, so in terms of EJ for the buys, yeah, as I said, potentially I'm looking at maybe the buys above 142, to then continue to maybe go retest those levels a little bit higher up. But that is previous resistance. Sorry, current resistance right now. If you do get a closure above there, it's actually quite clean above, to be honest. So that could be quite nice later on for potentially buys. But for the most part, it's not really looking too nice in terms of that structure. And yeah, the only thing with really goldy here is the sells below. The sells below. So if I do this, yeah, in terms of NY session yesterday, no trades. There was a 5-minute trend line which would have worked out. But yeah, there's only one real push through Goldie. There was sells later on, but it was at like 3 o'clock, which sucks a little bit. So actually, in terms of the 30-minute time frame, I'm trying to think where I could actually, because this is actually a little bit on the choppier side. I'm trying to think maybe a little bit further below. It's probably like below there, isn't it? Yeah. I think actually I might just wait a little bit, because obviously to the left hand side here, yes, it pushed up quite nicely in these directions, but we did have a support there, 1881. So I think below 1881 we're going to get that push to 78. Yeah. So I think that's what I'm going to wait for over here actually. Yeah, that's what I'm going to wait for. I just changed this, 1880.78. Good stuff. And there we go. That's all she wrote. Let me just move Gonna trade CPI today? No, because I haven't had much money to play with this week. In terms of, I mean, actually, to be honest with you, if it's negative, yeah, I might try a sell stop. Yeah, I might in Goldie. Yes, I may. Because to be honest with you, this week as a whole has been pretty shite. If you look at GJ, look at gold, it's not done too much in terms of moving. So it's been pretty much printing sideways the whole week if you think about it. So if you guys have had a harder week, I have really this week, don't worry about it too much. It's just a little bit of a slow week, that's all. And obviously this CPI is dead important, so you can clearly see that just from how big the range has been this whole time, how much it's ranged. So yeah, come back down. Obviously I do want to close you below on the 30, and hopefully it's towards 7 o'clock, which it will be, because this next 27 minutes will be the 7 o'clock, and then we get nice clean candles down. That would be good. So yeah, don't you think negative number good for bullish gold and USD bear? Yes, I think so. I think that's, to be honest with you, I don't really care. I'm just gonna buy stuff and sell stuff. I don't really care too much. I have a feeling it's gonna push though, which is good. Hopefully we've got some nice clean zones for it. That'll make life much easier for us. Like, imagine if you don't break this high. Nice buy stop there. 1886 would be great. That would be gorgeous. He's in the passenger stay. I will go out tonight, but I haven't got a sticks to it. Let me just take a look at something. Yeah. I think the CPI is going to be good. I'm down for 2% for the month. Was down 4% but recovered after I held yesterday's buys. Very nice. Looks similar to January last year. Range, push, range. Yeah. Yeah, very true. Similar as last January. Yeah, so today at probably straight after the news, probably like at 2 o'clock, maybe like 1:45. We'll do the simulation. I'm going to jump to GJ like in April, just like we did with Goldie, and then we'll go back to January later. I'm not going to do a double January for you guys. So yeah, we'll start in April. See what trades you can get on GJ. So yeah, it's very, very simple now. Gotta wait for it. Gotta wait for it. In terms of the Asian session, would there been any trades that I wanted to take? In that 15-minute bullish closure there, I think Don actually took this trade. Yeah, I think that one was nice. Stop loss below 22 pips to come back to the high was 22. Strong closure above. Yeah, because this candle here didn't close above. This candle didn't really close above either. This then did close above. Getting in low wick flip. Are you guys chatting in the thing, or is this just popping up randomly? Because someone texted in the chat. I'm worried that people are saying stuff. My IC market keeps freezing. Anybody have the same problem? Mine's okay. Mine seems to be working okay. We've got another subscriber over here. Thank you, Stephen, for subscribing. Subscribing. So yeah, it's been very, very slow in terms of this week. But it's all about reserving your capital, right? As long as you're not spunking fucking 10-20%, which you very much could have this week. I know I could feel that a lot of people would have had some issues, especially with gold yesterday. After this big bearish move, trying to take sells here now and then getting clapped. Even the sells would have went down and then came back up. I'm pretty sure 10 pips daily actually got a little bit of a retracement. Yeah, after took that sell there. So yeah, there's a lot of fuckery in terms of GJ. In terms of gold. In terms of GJ was awful all day. So I think the buys up there, people have got slaughtered on. So I think yesterday, man, yeah, people had a rough time. I have pal blown at least 25%. Oof. You guys are over leveraging, man. You guys are over leveraging. If you guys can blow that stuff, you're either over trading or over leveraging. As I said before, change your leverage. Change your leverage to the lowest, like 1 to 100. Then you can't really blow anything. Can't at all. So yeah, I really think the gold sells later on are going to be very, very simple. Morning, Joey boy. How you doing? How you doing? Finally, the CPI is going to be finally done. My God, I can't wait. I don't need to get your plan soon, bro. Yeah, man. 100%. Not too bad. Slept in, but doesn't look like I've missed anything. No. I think you'll be okay in terms of moves. Maybe later on. Maybe GJ in 21 minutes. So yeah. What leverage do you use? 1 to 500 or 1 to 100? Sometimes 1 to 50, but normally 1 to 100. Man, I worked out chest not yesterday, but the day before, and I shit you not, my chest right now is painful. I'm pretty sure I woke up in the middle of the night with how much pain. I can't lift my arms higher than that. Like, I didn't even bash him. It's just like when you just don't do it for a long time. Shh, my fucking muscle. Oh, I need to get into a bloody bath soak because it is proper killing me. Played a little bit of football last night. Won again. It was like 22-4. And they got their ass beat. Fitness is getting a bit better as well, actually. I felt much better this time. Same here with the legs. Oh, Joey, yeah, it's the worst. Drink BCAs. That's what I need. Yes, that's what I need to do. 1 to 500, me, need risk management. Nah, you don't need. If you just put it to 1 to 100, you'll blow less of your account. I tell you that right now. What position do you play? We're playing 5-a-side in this, but no one else playing like left mid. Yeah, boy. Yeah, we're on a little tournament, and it's pretty damn fun. So yeah, who had a losing day yesterday? I think if you followed Don on the, then you might have got a little trade there. I think it was a little bit later on. It was with a 5 minute, I think. Yeah, there's closure there. Stop loss above. Let's take a look.
Hey, morning, Max.
Morning, morning. How you doing?
Good, mate. How are you?
Not too bad, not too bad. Ready for this news to come out later on, to be honest.
I actually took a smaller loss on GJ earlier on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because I thought the idea was that it had kind of closed, it had closed below the 15 minute, and then it broke the 4 hour wick, but I didn't really pay attention to the level that you have, just because the candles kind of more immediately were clean.
Yeah.
But,
yeah, because the 4 hour break the previous low. Yeah. I generally just think GJ is never really. I mean, we'll see with the Sims, right? But there's normally not a move until 7. So that's kind of an indicator, like, if there's something not up there, if you're getting in maybe a little bit too early. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I've seen anyway. But we'll see with the Sims.
I also could have waited until, just because of the time, until the 30 minute of close, which obviously it didn't end up closing below. So
yeah.
saved me there as well.
Yep, that's true. That's true. So, Sammy, so yesterday I was looking at the FTMO review, and I was thinking of getting the 1,000 account since I've been trading a 2,000 account consistently for like 11 months. What would you advise? Yeah, well, have you been trading it? Have you been gaining 10% a month? Because if you haven't, then it's probably going to be a little bit on the harder side. So yeah, hopefully this will be a nice little drop there. Yeah, 20 pips straight in the bag. That's what we'll be looking for today for gold. It's the first kind of time there's actually been a clean zone, apart from that one there below. We just fucking melted. 12 o'clock. I wanted a closure below here to then get it back down to this level, and we just went straight through it. But yeah, overall this week's been no me gusta. Yeah, I've been consistently profitable for most of the months. Yeah, well, go ahead. There's no reason why not. There's no reason why not. So that's mad. So Wix 9 finishes his stream 3 hours ago. So then if you sleep straight away after, that'd be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it comes back on like 6. Ah, no, that's actually not that bad. 6 hours, so yeah, he's got like 9 hours sleep. It's not bad at all. What you bet the football last night? City fucking lost. I was like, oh my god. It's no good. No good, no good. If you guys haven't subscribed as well, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, all that good stuff. And make sure you follow the Instagram. I'm posting like twice now every single day on Instagram. Just getting up to scratch. Still is some scammers around, so make sure you get the right one. Yeah, I like this. I saw this a couple links. Was it the draw for the semis last night? Yeah, bro. United have got Nottingham. So yeah, look at this, right? terms of life in general. What it really looks like, what people think it is. But what's quite interesting here is that obviously you're always continuing. And you're always continuing if you're always just a little bit better each day. If you're always a little bit better, if you're 1% better than you were the day before, your life is bullish, boy. Life is bullish. Yeah, they were the gold buys. Buys yesterday, which did play out a little bit, but I was really confident with that move. Should be in Newcastle United. Yeah, it looks like it. It does look like it. I have to agree. So yeah, it's looking like pretty good ranges this morning, to be honest with you. Yeah, I like them. I like them a lot. So it looks like DXY is heading to close the gap. Very good. Very nice to see. Man, I was playing some chess last night. I was enjoying it. It was well good. I was finishing off James Bond. I was playing a bit of chess after football. It was good stuff. Oh my god, this chest is proper killing me. Fuck. I feel like a hunchback. With no yoga for me today because it hurt too much. I got to know you through the Instavids, man. Yeah, nice.
What did you do to chess, man?
Just trained it a little bit, but because I haven't done it in literally like fucking 8 months, it's obviously like, what the hell is this? Yeah. It was very lightweight. I was just doing, bit of bench press, bit of flies, but the flies are quite strenuous on your pick. But yeah, man, I can feel it. It's killing me.
I thought you were talking about like general chest pain.
No. It's definitely the muscle. Yeah, it's definitely the muscle. But yeah, I went to the physio yesterday and I was like, right, my arm is killing me. And he goes, yeah, it's definitely your tricep. Like, your tricep is very tender. So he massaged that out. That felt amazing. I might do a little bit today as well. I go, what's it from? He goes, no idea. Fair. Fair dues. 90 nice, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. Yeah, I'll get back and running and doing some Magic Keys giveaways very shortly as well. It should be good. Some good fun. But realistically, I'm just wanting some nice clean candles. And nice clean zones. It's the first week back though, so there's no need to rush. Yeah, there's no need to rush. No need to rush. Let's take a look at how spread's looking like now. Yeah, GJ is still very, very bad. 22 pips. It's not too good. It is not the nicest, I have to agree. Did you see the chess game between Tate and Piers? Yeah. I did. Oh, yeah, I wonder what he's, Oh. He was pissed.
The best team won. They were better. We had a bad night and we didn't play good. We didn't react good in the bad start, and yeah, we didn't perform well. And to win games, yeah, I'm not talking titles. Win games, you have to deserve it. So I want to deserve, to when I.
What did you make of his hour on the pitch?
30 minutes, step by step. So it was it's not one player because everyone, because the players who came in from the bench was the same, didn't introduce something new, and so everyone when this.
So yeah, looking like GJ's coming up, but this is good to be honest. I'd rather do this at the start and then towards 8 o'clock we get some nice closures below, and then I think the trades are going to be much nicer. Yeah, they were, weren't they? They were proper good goals. So yeah, I mean, the other thing that you could say with GJ and why you need to be a little bit cautious is that I still think the zone below is going to be nice. But you can also see that we've had shitloads of rejections there. So for me, I'm wanting a nice, deep closure. Because you can clearly see if we rejected it from the downside this time. Rejected. Yeah, 2. Yes, sirree. Yeah, I want to see. Let's put a poll up. Who took a losing trade yesterday? What? Did you guys make any money yesterday? Or did you guys lose a little bit? I think in terms of the market conditions, it's very, very reasonable for you to take maybe a little bit of an L. You could have taken... I'm trying to think of what else you could have taken. Yeah, that break of the low was okay, but realistically, it was very, very choppy. It was so weird how he just ranged from like 12 o'clock till 2:30 in this zone. Tate called Logan a scammer from prison. Oh shit! How did you know? So gold coming down, there is 30-minute support there that we're starting to break, which is fine. For me, the easiest sells are going to be below 1880, I think. How big is this zone? Yeah, like 16 pips. Yeah, I said that before, Joey boy, actually. Yeah, Asian session gold moves have been good. They've been pushing very nicely. Totally agree. Yeah, like I was saying yesterday, I was saying this morning, the trade that I probably would have taken was that one there. I think Don took it as well. 20 pips, because it's a closure above the zone, clean candle above to the rest. Very, very nice. Might be a little bit of 5-minute trend line you could have gone into there. Potentially. Shit, 5 hours of sleep is not enough for me to sit on the charts waiting for trades. Have a good London session, guys. Like the stream squad. Yeah, for sure, Scarlet. Get some rest. I might have a little sleep after this, to be honest. Until and why I'm feeling a bit low on it. I only had about 5 hours sleep. If you close below 1 hour on gold, looks good for sells. I want it below the support. For me, this is a range that I can play in all day. The only time I think it's going to move quickly is if you get below 1880 down to 1878.6. Oh yeah, boy. Yes, sirree. If you Goes below, yeah. We'll see. Okay, this is 5 minutes until 7 o'clock candle. I'm gonna go and get a coffee, I think, very, very shortly. Yeah, I'm gonna do it now. Okay, so make sure to chill out. I don't think there's anything there left, but you've got the zones, and now it's just time to wait. Time to wait until we get down to them levels, and then we're gonna get some nice trades. If it doesn't come to them levels the whole day, then there's no trades to be taken. So it'll be 2 minutes. Hope you guys like the jammers as well. I've got some Simpsons jammers on today in the bottoms. Right, it'll be 2 minutes. So, yeah, we're just waiting patiently, guys. Patience pays. Patience pays. So there we go. Goldie kind of spiked down, but nothing too much. Nothing too much that I see. So let me just look at this. Good morning, everyone. Don't let choppy markets make you a sloppy trader. Exactly, Brian. Exactly. Very, very true. So damn true. If you know it's choppy and you're coming into it, then there's more chance to be a little bit cautious. Let things play out a little bit longer before you jump in, maybe. Maybe wait for 30-minute closures. All that good stuff. Yeah, wise words, wise words. Looking like we are holding this resistance at 1885, which is good. Good stuff, good stuff. But I think the sells below 1880 is gonna be the nice little drive. You get 20 pips. And then you can be out of there. Looking like GJ and EJ are still just popping up a little bit. We actually just check TikTok. Man, I was going on TikTok yesterday. Some traders on TikTok are just mad, man. It's so like flexy, it hurts. Shit's nasty. So yeah, I generally do think though the good thing is the retracements could be nice, but for me personally, I think the sells back below 844 are going to be so nice later on. It will mirror, so hopefully you can mirror the hourly candle back down to 570 because that zone there is like 30 pips, so it's a very, very nice strong zone, a big zone as well, which is good. So yeah. If you guys do want to send me charts, make sure you send the charts in the chat. It's very, very important to do so. What was this that Kenneth put on?
Yeah, it's out there, Becky, among some analysts. Some new data also suggesting tomorrow's inflation report from the government could be soft, even possibly negative, and it joins other private sector data in suggesting inflation has certainly eased. The State Street Price Stats Inflation Index, culled from prices on the web, fell 0.3% for one of its largest monthly drops since the pandemic. Not surprisingly, it was driven by a sharp decline in fuel prices along with a fall in apparel. Other sectors like food appeared to bounce back during the month. That's the year-over-year rate, but the monthly decline pushed the year-over-year rate over price stat down to 3.9% from a high of about 6% in the summer. It runs below the CPI because of how it's calculated, but generally it tracks the direction. There's no guarantee here the CPI is going to follow it tomorrow, but as you can see there's some hope that it might even be negative. It's not the only inflation indicator trending down. ISM services is down 17 points from its peak. The price index in there, the ISM manufacturing price index down 50.
So yeah, they're expecting negatives. Interesting, interesting, interesting. It's December CPI. What that video was? Nah, 6 hours ago. Oh shit, no, sorry. Really? Maybe, it may be. So yeah, got a quiz tonight. 2022 quiz in the building, so that'll be quite fun. I'm looking forward to that. In terms of health-wise and eating stuff, still looking good. Still making the overnight oats. Last night I made chicken thighs in the air fryer, and I put on like a honey barbecue kind of sauce over the top, which was unreal. With some vegetables, so it's all full force, which is good. So 7:07, we've got 50 minutes left until the London Open. Great. Which will be grand. CPI will probably weigh heavily on the market today. I'll only take A+ setups today and nothing else if they come. 100%. Me too. Me too. It's been hard all week, really. So if you don't get really any closures below there or there, yeah, I'm happy not taking any either. Me too, me too. The news has been very, very heavy though, 100%. Right, while we're waiting, we'll do a little bit of Wordle over here. Get the brain going again. Because realistically now we're just waiting for 2 closures and 2 pairs. That's all it is. That's all it is. Ooh. Let's try and get this in rapid time. There's a P in it as well. Shit. Okay. There's an E in it. P could be probably at the end. There's a T in it as well. Okay, okay. What the fuck? I'm trying to think of a word like that. I started this one with plate. Did I know? So yeah, I got my chess ranking, Grandmaster already. Wait, can I log in? I was still running out of time as well. What I realized is that I got to kind of plan the move whilst he's taking his. Leaped. Okay. Leaped, yeah. Oh, Stevie boy. Easy, easy. leaped. Maxis, what's your chess rating? I literally just joined yesterday, but it's still probably quite bad. What's it? 212? Is it 212? Yeah, it's very, very, very shit. So yeah, let's look at how the higher time frames are working out. Yeah, 4 hours still very, very bullish on Goldie, and on GJ. Yeah, it really looks like this 4 hours should break the low of the previous, which it did, and to continue to fill back in the zone realistically. Laugh me out, noob. I'll play you, Max. I am very shit, Ron. I need to look. I need to find like a. What's the best start to chess? Like, what's like the best thing that you can do? The best like how do you start an opening? Opening seems very. You put the king one out. Yeah, I was thinking in the mentorship we can make a little tournament, and when something's ranging, we're just waiting for a closure, we can play. Hey Max, the range with gold at the moment is 1880.84, right? Yeah. Yes, sir. Can we play chess together? Yeah, I think we can, Atashi. So if I go like this, play 10 minutes. Wait. Oh shit. Fuck, I'm playing someone. But yeah, I'll sort it out after. I didn't even want to play this game, to be honest. Oh, Gotham's channel. Okay. Down, 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 down. There. Okay, okay. So yeah, still waiting for closures, guys. People have just joined. There. I like the noise it makes. Pop. Very satisfying noise. EJ's running up. GJ looking like it's gonna push 2. Oh shit. Just go there, can't I? Oh no, yeah. Fuck. You're right, you're right. Oh. Okay, nice bearish candle down the 15. Looking like there's some volume coming in, which is great. 7:15 candle closure, good stuff. 7:30 could be the closure here. That would be nice for us. Do you think? Oh, you can take that. Fuck. Oh no, I can get in there. It's fine. Nice. Goldie's bringing in the volume, which is good. Can I just do that? 'Cause I'm secured. Like, did you guys sacrifice? Like, should I not sacrifice this thing? You know, trying to keep all of your things, right? I think that's where I'm going wrong. I'm gonna move that one up. I sacrifice my Bishop of Pakistan. Shit, dog. What ratings this guy? 238. Okay then, Billy Big Bollock. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Nice little bit of chest this morning. Waiting for them closures, boy. And that's what you can do. That's the good thing about trading. You can start to, you know, when you start to know your zones, you can just sit back and relax. On Don's stream, we see they just chat about and chill. It's the same thing, man. So that move there is a bit of sacrifice because you can kill me there and there, but I can just get him there, I suppose. Hey Max, why isn't your sell below 1882.598? What? Oh, here? Because this is the current range. You can see that even though we had a nice push down here and a nice push up, we did struggle and we had a support there. This zone is, yeah, you could potentially, but for me here, the main clean zone is below. You can see this whole area we moved quickly. This for me is support, so you need to break the support. For me, this is only minor. It's not actually breaking the zone. Is that the only thing I'm gonna have to do here? Yeah. Very interesting. So looking good, man. Some nice candles coming about on Goldie, which is very nice to see. That's what we like to see. Yeah, get the queen out. Extra attack. So then I can kill him, can't I? Kill that one. Looking good, looking good. Looking at current price on GJ. Yeah, we're just retracing. I still think it's still very, very bearish in terms of everything, so we're good, we're good. That was a nice move. that's a good go there. Yeah. Nine minutes left for a 30-minute closure. Hopefully we get one below. If not, then we'll just wait until maybe 8 o'clock. Each to their own though. Good strong candles, so it's all good. This dude's taking his time. He's gonna run out of time, boy. If you're defending, it's not a sacrifice, just an exchange. Interesting. Shit. Shit. Think there? It's still fucked either way, isn't it? Ah, fuck. Atashi, man. You're supposed to buy backup. Shit. Yeah, so. Pawn to G5. Looking good, looking good. Goalie's still pushing down, which is great news for us. GJ's still not really doing anything. He's gonna run out of time, I think. Good stuff. So, Goldie coming down. 5 minutes left for this closure. Can I just get him here? Easy stuff, easy stuff. He's gonna run out of time, isn't he? Go there. No, because I need to move my queen. Oh shit. Yeah. There. Yeah, boy. So yeah, guys, 4 minutes left for this closure. Still waiting for this closure below. If not, then we'll wait until probably 8 o'clock. Maybe 7:45 gives us a good closure. How do I do anything now? This is when I get a bit stuck. Where could I actually go, guys? Fuck it. Oh shit, I can only go one. Oh shit, I'm gonna lose that pair, yeah. You are correct. Let's take. He's gonna run out of time. Minute left for this closure. See if you get it. So how much stops are gonna look? Gonna have to use probably previous 15. That'll be the most realistic. Yeah, for 23 pips, that's actually not too bad. That's not too bad. Right, I don't think I have enough time for doing this, guys. I gotta get ready for this trade. Unfortunately, bye chess. Okay, so 20 seconds left for this candle. It's looking very, very promising. So let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, let's see if it's there yet. Yeah, it didn't really close below. That's okay. Didn't close below yet. So probably have to wait for one more candle, maybe. Yeah. GJ is just rejected. Making a nice top wick already. But yeah, still hasn't closed yet. below. Okay, still look. Sell stop. No, hasn't closed below, brother. Didn't close below, so I've got to wait a little bit longer, maybe for the next 15. It's making a nice top wick now, which is good because I'd use that as next stop. So yeah, nice top wick. To look at GJ, yeah, GJ's not there yet. 159.840 is where we're going to start to look for it. Looking like price action is a little bit choppy at that time. But yeah, some really, really good candles there. Good stuff. Good stuff. So this flips and breaks and pushes. That's great. I mean, you know, you can do for it. For me, it hasn't really closed below yet. Still the same thing on the hourly. It's still hourly support, so it's strong enough support to hold. So we just got to wait a little bit longer. Um, so yeah, 11 minutes left for this closure. Good stuff though. Looking very nice. Looking very nice now. Looking very good. And obviously, at the time, I'm wanting this next, maybe this next hourly. Depends on closures and stuff, but to mirror this candle, that'd be beautiful. Okay, it's made the top wick now. Looking like it's gonna flip. That's great. Beautiful M5 minute trend line res. Yeah, the actual trend line that we talked about there actually would be running quite nice, you know, eh? Had some good rejection on the 5-minute time frame. Could be running like a 20 pip stop, 23 pips. I got in at 1880. Wait, what? It's not even 1880 yet. Yeah, bro, it hasn't even hit that yet. You jumped in time, I think. No 1880 yet. 45 likes, guys, and 140 people. Make sure you like the stream up. Played some nice chess, just waiting on for these closures. 24 minutes left for 30, so probably the 15 that I'll use in 9 minutes time, hopefully. We should close below 1880. Yeah, man. But it didn't, so it's just an easier game for you. You just gotta wait a little longer, right? You just gotta wait a little longer. Because realistically, it's still at a support, right? Look at the hourly. The hourly could just tap you and it could continue back bullish. It hasn't closed below, so you always remember that. Okay, this is good. This is good. Looking like price is pushing over here. 50-minute time frame, nothing down, which is nice. So yeah, you might miss it. Looking like it might just continue here. Fill that zone up. So we'll see 6 minutes left for this closure. 6 minutes. EJ looking like it's bearish as well. GJ still coming down. Nothing there, boy. Hey Max, rather wait for the 1 hour closure rather than enter in the 15 candle. Thoughts? No, if it gets to that zone, I still think it's gonna drive pretty nice, to be honest. We'll see how this closes. Look at the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes looking pretty bearish. Good celery play there as well. Celery on the 1 minute. The stop loss there is going to be like 20 pips for 13 pip gain. It's not the best RTR, but it's still clean enough. So we shall see. We shall see. Oh, I just got rid of my fucking thing. It's the longest 5 minutes I've got to wait. The longest 5 minutes I gotta wait. Right at 1800. Hold on. World, hold on. What I'm working on. Okay, 1 second. I'll take a look in a second. I'm just really focusing on this. Yeah. Really don't want this to push. Just sit back. It's literally on the break of it. It's like, no. 3 minutes left. The reason why I'm getting cautious because obviously the candles are very clean below, so it will push quickly. And I'm obviously worried that I'm going to miss it. But we shall see. Yeah. 165 people are in this building. Good stuff. 20 people in the morning for the mentorship as well. So 2 minutes left for this closure. And look at that. So even though sometimes it's annoying, sometimes you gotta wait for the closure, boy. So let's see what it gives me. Let's look at GJ. GJ's still not doing anything. Of course it's rejected, yeah. That was quite a big push-up as well, eh? Damn. There's no order blocks there either. It's all clean. Yeah. So we might have to wait for the hourly to close. See you in a minute's time. Because it's still an hourly support. If you look at the hourly time frame, it's still on this level, right? We'll see though. Yeah. Maybe it has a little bit of an issue, but I think now, okay, we've made a little top wick, which is good as well. My trading view is fucking slowed down there. Okay, good stuff. So, the 50 minutes closed. Below, which is good, which is neat. 30 minutes still driving. I'm gonna wait for a little bit of a top wick over here, and I think I'm gonna get in on the flip. So the more the top wick, the better, to be honest. Take a look on the lower time frames where it would be. Not a fan of the 4-hour area. I think it's still okay. Now, how much would the difference between if I get the low? 5 pips. So 1882. Okay, so I've got to sell stuff over here on the flip of the candle to continue back down to the zone to fill this area. So TP1, trying to get 1879 out of it. We'll see how it goes. And then furthermore, 1876. Back down to the daily would be gorgeous. So it wants to continue back in that zone, good stuff. But what's happening now is we've got a closure into the next zone. Okay, so this is zone 1, this is zone 2. We've got a closure into zone 1. If price makes this top wick and rejects zone 2, then we're going to get the volume to then drive it, to then push it back into zone 1. Stop loss is going to be previous candle. I'm so tempted to get on the 5 minute and then phew. Yeah. See already rejecting that zone, which is good. Okay, being executed now. Stop loss above for 15 pips. To continue back in the zone. So let's take a look. So attempt to get in on the 5. Yeah, need a little bit of a pull up there, eh? Let's take a look at GJ. Is GJ doing anything yet? It's still messing about. Oh, my fucking shoulder's sore. So yeah, we'll see. What are you looking at on GJ? It sells below 159,840. Yeah, 159,840. I think that's going to be the most realistic. Coming back up over here, let's take a look at the how the hourly's doing. Do 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 do. I'm on sells on GJ. Maybe a little bit too early for that, but yeah, fair. Maybe a little bit too early. I might also be a little bit too early on this Goldie. I have to wait for that closure. Ah, the top wicks, boy. How many fucking top wicks? 3-minute rejection on the other side, though. What, this on GJ? Yeah, it's good rejection, but it could happily just hit that support and then continue back bullish. Know what I mean? Oh, these top wicks, brother. Second I want to get in. Coming back up over here. Great. Back above support. And I'm out. Wow. So rejecting the support. 15-minute did not want to hold. Breaking the highs to continue back bullish, I think. Whoa, my God. If this continues, I swear to fucking God, this has happened all week. But anyway, wait for one more candle over here. 6 minutes time for 8 o'clock, and then I'm going to potentially take the celery if this closes weak bullish. I swear to God, if that's just tapped me out. So yeah, I might have to take the celery. Depends how this 30 closes, really. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ's still not there yet. Fucking, this has happened literally 4 times in a row. No, not in a row, but 4 times. It fucking hits my stop by 2 pips. So if this, I hope this fucking rinses back up, to be honest with you. But it all depends on this 30-minute closing in 5 minutes time. Also the hourly. See where we get the closure. GJ will melt. Potentially. Potentially. So yeah, GJ, if this closes below 840, would be a great candle closure. Looking like GJ, if Goldie is actually going to reject, going to fake out probably in the 15, to then continue back up, and it might sit in that range for the rest of this fucking week, which is great. Probably going to wait for CPI, guys. Good day. Stay safe. See you later, Sammy boy. Yeah, I think I'm going to probably just look to take this GJ, I think. So for potential, yeah, 584 would be nice. Start off with, and then to continue back down to 159, 400 would be great. Let's go already 10 pips plus on GJ. On GJ. Very nice, very nice. Looking like it's not going to get a closure. Oh, Lord McLeod. So 30-minute time frame, if it closes, still back above holding that support. We have to wait a little longer. But what can happen here is prices came down, come back for the retest, and then maybe continue later on. Let's take a look at GJ. So Brian says 1880 is a daily support. I can't see a daily support there. Support's down there, 1876. Interesting. Okay, let's take a look. GJ is not going to get a closure. Gonna have to wait for a minute longer, I think. So yeah, GJ, sorry, Goldie coming back above. Oh God, what a fake out! See, if that was fucking beautifully Asian session, what a beautiful push. So yeah, coming back above in that area. Still got to wait for closures back below. I will take it though because the 30-minute didn't close below, but I have to wait for an extra 30. Okay, so minute left for this GJ. I'm gonna get it ready. Looks good. Looks pretty good. This stop loss is also gonna be at 160. Okay, looking like we're coming down. For me, that's a stronger enough closure, to be honest. I think I'm going to get in. See if I can make a little top wick at the start, and then I'm just going to get on the break at the current low. Okay, so current low is 853. Very nice. So I've got a sell stop on over here, guys. I'm actually going to go for it. I know that we haven't closed solidly, but the strong closure for me is enough. So we're going to get the break of the low with a previous candle. Stops. So I'm making a beautiful top wick now, which is great. All we've got to wait for now is the refrip and the break of the low. Because I have a feeling, in terms of volume, we are at 8 o'clock volume, right? And I have a feeling if we break this low, we're going to get a nice drive. Stop loss is going to be 14 pips, and the zone below I'm going to try and target is going to be very, very nice. I actually want to mirror that whole candle there, so that'll be pretty good. And then 159,400 for TP2. So I haven't broken the low yet. Nearly there, brother. What else? Took a GJ, so yeah, Goldie came all the way back up. Wow. Big rejection. Big brain rejection. So still making the top wick, still hasn't broken the low yet. The bigger the top wick, the better, to be honest with you. Hey, Max Gold, 1 hour. Would you consider potential wick fill back down to 1880? No, I wanted a closure below 1880. Not wick fill back down to it now. Price has made a support. It should continue bullish here now, I think. For me, anyway. Looking like EJ is actually pretty bearish too, and it's got a little support to break. And the reason why I'm actually taking this is because of the volume mainly, and also how strong the closure was. I wouldn't be taking this if it was a low volume time, and I think if we break them lows, all them wicks to the left, we're gonna push pretty nicely. So we just gotta wait. Prices come back to retest the previous support. You can see down the 30. Maybe you have to pull back up to 160 first. Yeah, it's the first hourly as well. Bearish closure below, which is good. Let's take a look at GJ. Sorry, Goldie, still nothing. You got nothing. No. So yeah, let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Still, yeah, it's broken the high. But I'm not really too asked, to be honest with you. It's if we just get the rejection that I care about. Yeah, I'm not too asked. As long as we don't really come above like 160.050, I think it's still valid for me. Yes, sirree. So yeah, look at gold, right? Gold closed bullish. Next one made a low wick to then drive probably back to the highs. But I don't want to take trades in that area. This is the clean area. Just a fake out on the 15, unfortunately. On the 15. So in looking back at maybe that kind of what I could have potentially done is maybe wait for a 5 minutes to close bearish, or to have broken the previous lows. That would again be an extra 5 pip stop, but it could have been realistic. So yeah, let's get rid of that. Get rid of that too. Let's take a look then. Yeah, it's all CPI. So yeah, I think this becomes invalidated when obviously when the 30 closes, but bullish above. So just let it do its thing. Rebreaks that 4-hour low. Oh. That's what I'm hoping on. Yeah, so we're rebreaking the 4-hour low, the daily low. With 8 o'clock volume. Should be good. Yeah, looking like having maybe a little bit of rejection on Goldie, but it's not the area I want at the moment. But still later on, if you get that closure, then I'll still look into it. So 50 minutes left. Look, right, we've got 50 minutes left of this hourly, so and it still hasn't broken the hourly highs. It's still reasonable. We just got to see if the 15 wanted to close bullish or not. How long left? Yeah, we've got 6 minutes left for the 15. All that good stuff. But if it closes back into the zone, you also know that realistically, it's probably going to just sit into that area until the news comes out later on. Is that another 8 o'clock volume where there's no fucking volume? Lord have mercy. We shall see. Yes. This week is garbage. Yeah, man. It's been pretty still really respecting this resistance, which is good. That's what I kind of wanted to do, which is good. Oh, did you lose the gold trade? Yeah, pretty much instantly as well, which sucks. But it hit off support. This 5 doesn't want to break the lows. It does now. Spoke too soon. Is my trading view lagging? Yeah, it is. Thinking on my terminal, we're down there. We're down 930. We're like there now. Come on, GJ, reload. Well, trading view is lag now. Fuck me. What's this day? It's not printing. We're at 930 on my terminal. Yup, it is. What the fuck? Two minutes left at the 15. My trading view is fine. Let's see if we can check Oanda. Oh, I think it's just gone back there now. I like this GJ. Yeah, me too, brother. Me too, brother. Also, he just stops at 160 as well, and the 4-hour flip, which is nice. Look at gold. Yeah, it's fine. It's still playing in that zone, right? I'd say in terms of this GJ getting, yeah, like 848. I think mine's a little bit lower. Yeah, 848. Gold is the best to trade at NY session. It's normally quite good in London just recently. Look at that 15-minute celery play as well, which is nice. Okay, so nearly activated now. Just needs to break that low, bye. Come on, break it, break it, break it, break it. Still not in yet. Still hasn't broken the low. Push! Break the damn low! Still not in yet. Still hasn't broken it fully. Now I have. So this will be probably the last trade of London. So yeah, we'll just wait on over here. That just finished. Gold is the best to trade in NY session, I find. Yeah, definitely last year, not so much. I don't think it was pretty awful. The whole of last year, really. Most of the trades were actually in London. Clean zones, anyway. Look at gold 50-minute chart, please. It's doing nothing. Yeah, it got a bit of res, great, but it's still in that zone. Wow, we're tracing a little bit over here. Just getting some volume in. What the fuck are these candles doing, bro? My god. 1 minute and the 5 minute. Just wanted to do a bit of U-turn, then nut back down. Touch support at 3 minutes and bounced. On the 3 minute. Yep. Could have it a little lower, would have been a bit easier, eh? Just waiting for a closure, but you get tapped in, yeah, unfortunately. Literally by 1 pip again. Fuck me. It's all good though, it's still a closure, still happy with it. Can manage on the 15. 10 minutes time. So look at the 1 minutes. Yeah. Goldie, yeah, there's some rejection, which is nice to see. Fucking hell. this volume on GJ. There's a lot of volatility. You can see it. Just tickering. Which is what you want for the break of the lows, especially higher time frame as well. Looking like it's coming straight back into it. So it looks like we're probably going to sit around 160, to be honest, I think, for the whole time today. And I think for me personally today, I'm leaving it. The rest of this day, I think. Yeah. Top above previous 30, but looking like it's coming back above. How to manage risk? That's the thing. There's it's hard in terms of managing risk. You can't. There's no closures yet. There's nothing. The only thing you could possibly do is wait for the 30. If the 30 closes, then I can manage risk in 100%. If the 30 closes bullish. So yeah, we'll manage risk in 6 minutes if you get a strong bullish closure. On the 30. Ah, God. It's London volume. Get going, bye. Oh, 10 pips is always ill, like. I haven't been ill in a while, actually. I used to be fucking ill last year, but I actually feel pretty good, actually, now. Which is good. 5-minute closed, rejecting the highs. We'll see you in the 30.
Hey, Max.
Hello?
Hey, quick one for you. So how come you know that on GJ the resistance to the left at like 159,835?
Yeah.
Did you like for gold it was similar to that and you didn't take it? How come for this one you were concerned about that?
Because I had 8 o'clock volume. London.
Ah, okay, fair enough.
Yeah. London volume should normally push straight through that. Especially also with the thing that you said before, it was breaking the 4-hour lows.
Yeah.
Yeah. We should have volume to push.
Today's been a bit of a weird day.
I think the whole week, to be honest, mate.
Yeah.
It's been pretty painful to watch. There's just been...
I'll see you later on for NY probably, alright?
Yeah, boy. See you later, brother.
Alright, buddy. See ya, bye-bye.
What are these fucking candles doing? My God. No zone on your G. What do you mean no zone? The zone's fucking huge. 813 there. Yeah, I mean, I was expecting to maybe get to at least that point, and then I can start to go, right, I'll go break even, ready for the push. But we'll see. We shall see. Looking at the lower timers and the 5s, yeah, it's just rough. In terms of price action. Yeah, Goldie's still holding that level, so just be careful with that, like the 15 bearish there. It's still in this zone still. This is the one that closed below. And it faked out, so it seems to like this zone quite a lot. 1880 is a psychological level. Just sit on there until potential news. Ah, Lord have mercy. These fucking candles. Oh, God. It's annoying because you just want the break of the low and a little bit of a push, and then you can start to go break even pretty straight away. But nope. Still holding that 3-minute support pretty hard. Goddamn Max Gold reflipping on the. Goddamn Max Gold reflipping on the hourly. Yeah. I wanted it much further below though. It's still in that support area. Someone please fuck this price action and candle movement. Yep. So the 30-minute closed. It closed weak, so there's a chance of a celery. So I'm not really too asked. I think I'm gonna still hold it. Take a look at the 15 as well. 15 closed bearish. The 5 minutes just rejecting. So. Go on, hit me out with no top, no bottom wick. You've been doing all fucking week. Go, boy. What a day. Seeing that meme, fucking Harvey Price, Lord. What a day. Oh my god, look at these fucking zone. So I generally think now, especially after this, I think especially in the gap, especially coming towards the news, just fucking leave it until tomorrow. Oh my god, if this 1 minute time frame wants to fucking range any longer than 950, rather you just take me out. Fuck up. Do do. This week makes me want to gamble my entire account on CPI. What the fuck? Yeah, I think if I lose this trade, I'll be down like 2.5, 3%, something like that. Yeah, it's been really hard, man. Every trade I've got in, I mean, I've been a bit lucky at the start as well, the celeries, but in terms of just pure volume, there's been fucking no direction with it at all. What just tap me out without 30 making a top bottom wick? So what I mean by that is this candle has no bottom wick on terminal, so it's likely going to make one, and therefore it's likely going to probably break that low to continue, but let's see if we survive the top wick. Just break it, come on. So yeah, even goldie's looking rough now. You can see where it's hovering, right? It's hovering right at 160, that area. It may just hover there until the news comes out. We'll see. Oh! What the fuck is this price action? I know, brother. Right, I'm gonna play some chess. Can't be asked to look at this fucking chart anymore. So let's get into this play. Why do whites go first? First of all, is that not a bit of racist? Way. Let's build the fortress. Let's build the fortress. Is there any other way? Oh shit, did I do that? Oh fuck, I didn't really look. 23 minutes left of this hourly. The hourly still looks okay. Still hasn't broke the high of the previous as well. check, boy. So also the reason why I didn't close is that this 30-minute time frame didn't close above support, so it's still holding it. Okay. Okay. F2 is checkmate. What? Okay, some big rejection wicks. Just break that low, you pussy. Drop GJ this time. Hopefully, hopefully, eh? Shit. EJ dropping. Yep. Drop. GJ back above. Oh, Lord. Let's get back to chess. What computer level of chess is this? Ah, it's a real person, brother. Where should I go now? Fuck. The fuck did he take there? Oh, shit. Do 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 do. Why does my F2 need to be protected? Damn, you're bad. I'm just learning, give me time. You can fuck me in both angles there, can't you? Get me there, yeah. Shit. Queen to where? Yeah. Queen to F5. Maybe beginner. Yeah, they are beginners because it's ranked. Look, he's shit as well. I haven't played this shit since I was like fucking 10 or some shit. So I'm trying to just get back into it. It's an enjoyable play though. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good. Ooh. Oh, fuck. Sorry, I'm paying attention to GJ as well, to be honest. But anyway. Okay. Speed doing it. Well, I'm watching GJ on sec. Feel like touch. GJ is alive. Keep on dropping. Keep on dropping, cunt bag. So the hourly looks good. At 765, I'll probably go break even. At that point. Yes, GJ, don't get your hopes up yet. It hasn't properly pushed yet. I don't really want to focus on this. I'm focusing on GJ at the moment. So coming back up. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. I don't know why it says 852. Oh yeah, it's 852 again. Great. EJ is better? Yeah, innit? Fucking hell. Not a bad little push. GJ is a hard watch. Yeah, I agree. Five-minute didn't even close below. Fuck's sake. So 50-minute time frame. Closed below though, so it's okay. Can move stops to the current candle high there. Doesn't really make much difference actually. And on my terminal it's actually, yeah, it's the same thing. Not liking the self stop, Max. What, your self stop? I've been in this trade for about fucking 3 hours, mate. So I'm emotionally blind to it now. I don't give a shit. Okay. Oh no, you can take me there. Ah yeah. Good point. You're so patient. Yeah, I mean, I'm just waiting for this to make a low wick again, and then I'll just we'll break even. But we'll see. It's retraced up quite a lot, to be honest with you. Again. Yeah, wow. Only up like 8 pips as well. Shit. Can't believe we're back up there again. Lord. There. Ah, shit. Not me. Ah, fuck. Yeah, he's fucked me here. I resign. Right. I think I'm going to be just waiting for this GG to fucking sort itself out. Wow. So we got into a little bit of profit, but I wouldn't say it was loads. 5 pips. If you trade better, lol. It's because I'm not really paying attention. I'm just fucking clicking the button. I'm looking to the right on my fucking MetaTrader to see how I can manage this motherfucker. We had lots of... Mark Lee, we definitely had volume though at the start of London Open. You had this bearish candle at 7:45. Look how strong it closed. That's why I took it. It looked like there was volume. It was in disguise. Do 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 down 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 down. But it didn't sustain the momentum. Yeah, I agree. Only trade on Monday has been shite this week since then. Yeah, Monday was not bad. Let's give gold a second chance on Monday, but yeah, it was good. That Snuggie must smell like ass. I just washed it, actually washed it yesterday. It's fresh as a baby's bottom. That's actually soft as a baby's bottom, isn't it? It's fresh as GJ's price action. Oh. Well, we know next time if CPI's there recently, sack off the whole week, go on holiday, which I fucking did. So you fucking shit all week. So looking like it's probably never going to make the bottom wick. Another low probability setup happening real time. Yeah, exactly, boy. It's a shame that we didn't stream the whole of last week, to be honest. Last week was nice. With 3 wins. GJ's about to checkmate. He does this all day, I swear to God. Goldie straight after still's done fuck all, so yeah. After this trade, I'll be not taking any until that CPI. I only trade GJ. Wow. Yeah, all the moves in Asian have been really, really nice this week. Been nice. Really good price action. Let's don't sleep for Asian. Imagine that. Imagine, right, it ranges through London, NY for the next, like, 3 months. You're like, fuck, I'm going to have to do Asian. Just sleep through the day. Badger's story is well funny, that kid. Had a great Asian today on gold. Yeah, it was nice, man. Great push up. It was beautiful. It's mad as well on GJ that there hasn't been a single 15-30 minute closure back above the support. All been closing below. So you can't even manage risk really in terms of just pure price action. And the way we manage with closures back in the zone and all that kind of stuff. You could say that maybe, yeah, so the 15 closed here, but then you wanted the celery, then these 15s all closed bearish. This 30-minute candle closed bullish, and we broke the low for the celery. This one's going to close in 4 minutes' time. What colour is your pip counter? Red, Brian. Whatever colour that is, sorry. What fucking colour even is that? Orange. Kinda getting rich. Only trade from... Percy. Look at Roger's story. Some guy that they like trading with his family and shit. I fucking love that. Wish he went over to go say hi. If I see 159,900 one more time, I fucking scream. Rejected again for like the 5th time. See how this 5-minute closes. I might just close out. Just in time for the hourly to close, then we can cry waiting for the top wick. You got here break even if you fancy. Come on, these candles are actually pretty bearish now. Look at the 15s. Look at that rejection, boy. How many top wicks do we need? Really? Yeah, we need. We had about fucking 30 billion there. Even Yoda's turned his back. Okay, I'm closing full. Watch this run off of that at me. But I'm closing full. Close full there, guys. So there we go. Closed out over here. Closed at 875. So I got in. Yeah, so it's a 2-pip loss. Okay, so let's just update the trades. Obviously, because I'm out now, it's probably going to go. But for me here, the reason why I've closed out is logically, right? So if the 50-minute time frame over here closed bullish above, still holding support. 30-minute time frame also closed bullish. Hourly also closed bullish. So sell this bitch. 1 hour still looks fine. Yeah, I mean it's still in this range, man. It's not fucking playing out. And if I have an opportunity where I can get out at -2 pips, then I'm gonna take it. So with a closure, that was the first closure for me that I'm like, yeah, that doesn't look good, right? Because obviously price action didn't look good overall, but if you take it just didn't look at pure price action, these 50 minutes close bearish. I like the celery here with the big rejection. That's the top wick of the 8 o'clock candle, breaking the lows. These candles obviously wick back up, but then when we finally close bullish back above, we are holding this support. Okay, so there you go. Look at gold. Hasn't done anything. Look at the volume. Look at the 5-minute time frames. It's doing fuck all. I'm not taking any of the trades until. Yeah, looking like EJ pushed a little bit more, but still not a lot, which is okay. For me here, I'm gonna wait until this news come out. Okay. I'm not wasting any more bullets. So trades called. We got a Goldie over here. Let's put this on. Closure below. Got in at the flip. Previous candle, so 20 pips. And GJ -2. So pretty hard day, but it's been a hard week to be honest with you. Let's go through the spreadsheet. So yeah, GJ coming back above. Time on stream, let's take a look. Update this. So, oh, that's not it. That's last one. Where is it? EJ lagging also, yeah, man. Oh, that's not this one. One sec. Let me put this on here. How can I I'll do that. Wait, there we go. How do I bookmark it? How do I put it into there? Anyway. So January, yeah, it's been a rough time. Last week was good. Fortunately, I couldn't stream any of it, and this week's been pretty awful. Managed risk though on 2 of the positions. The other 3 just fucking launched. So let's just put this on. 746. The breakout is on the flip on the 15. 20 pips. -20. And then here, which is at 8, 12. GJ. Sell. Breakout of the previous support. Going on there. Break of the previous. High low on the 30. Stop loss was 14, wasn't it? Yeah, it's 14. Let me check. No, sorry, 16. 16 closed at -2. So only lost -0.18 on that, which is pretty good because now you'd have been in the drawdown. So pretty happy with that closure there. A little bit of a risk management on that. And then, yeah, a bit unfortunate with that one. This one here whipped me out by 2 pips, then went to TP. So just in terms of bad price action, it's just been like that this week. In terms of the percentage gain, -0.2. In terms of this week, it's been pretty hard if you look here. So yeah. Day trades taken. Okay, Jason. Scrap that journal. Hard week, I'm at 1%. Good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, 0.4 plus 2.5. I'm actually only down -1.8, which actually isn't too bad, actually. Let's take a look and see actually what it is. I'm just calculating it in my head. Oh no, we had that one as well. That's why. Yeah, minus 3% on that one. Oh no, sorry. Wait, did I? Yeah. So yeah, pretty bad week overall, but So yeah, thank you very much for coming on, guys. Make sure you guys be safe in this. Look at this, it's awful, my God. But yeah, overall 3% for the week. Just trying to really not take any more trades until we start to see some good price action really now. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. See you all later. Take care. Adios, amigos.